Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to build an email list that pays the bills. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. It's not as hard as you might think because it's easy to make an email list. That doesn't mean it's easy though. In terms of how things work, you need a landing page to get people to sign up, a page that says thank you after they give you their email address, a friendly email to start off your relationship. All of the major free autoresponder services take care of this for you. One of my favorites is System.io. So you have absolutely no reason not to start building an email list right now, because the hard part is over. The next part of making a list is a little more complicated. You need to find ways to get people to sign up. And the easiest way to offer a lead magnet like a report or video tutorial that people can download. After all, you need visitors, paid traffic like Facebook ads or Instagram ads. They are the fastest way to get more people on your email list. That we won't talk about those yet though. We are going to talk about how to use content marketing to build a list for free. So this is what I do. I use Twitter, YouTube, and I'm about to start using TikTok. All of these sites already have large audiences that you can use to get more subscribers, and each one has a different plan. If you do it right, you can get people to sign up for your email list over and over again. One new subscriber each day adds up to 365 new subscribers each year. 2 new members a day adds up to 730 a year. And if 3 new people sign up for every day, that's 1,095 per year, and so on. Once your email sequence is set up, all you have to do is get people to sign up for your newsletter. You promote your email list every chance you get. And if you write a tweet that goes semi-viral, you put a second tweet that promotes your email list underneath it. At the end of each piece of content you write on Medium, you add a link to your email list. The same goes for videos on TikTok and YouTube as well. If you show up every day and make a small piece of useful content that will attract an audience and promote your list, you do well. If Twitter decides for some crazy reason to shut down your account or TikTok stops working, you will still have your email list. It's the most valuable thing you can own in the digital world. And if it's done right, every month it will pay your bills and more. Thanks for watching my videos to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video and you must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. So click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.